Hi everyone and welcome back. I have a little master lock here. This is the 130 padlock, little brass padlock, 4-pinner. There's the bitting. Key works. This is another of my Unguttables series where I've drilled out the Bible plugs and replaced them with grub screws. So let's get this picked and we'll see what's in it. Tensioning top of keyway with this tiny little lock in hand with what's this, 1.2 mil pry bar, and picking with 25,000 Sparrows high reach. Oh, one was binding a little, 2 springy, 3 was binding, 4 was binding, got some plug movement there, 3 springy, 2 springy, 1 is binding. Still binding, high lift, there we go, false set. 2's binding, counter rotation, nice and slow, there we go. Ah, it's open, popped it. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. Definitely a spool, maybe more. One there. Number, yeah, small little spring. Here's number 2. Get that out. Oops. Steel spring. Oh, I forgot to take the pins out. There we go. Driver in 1 as a standard. Key pin 1 as a standard. Driver in 2 is a spool. Standard key pin. Let's have a look at 3. Tweezers, there we go. Steel spring. Standard driver. Oh wait, that's the key pin. Spool into standard driver. And let's see about the stack in 4. Steel spring. And a spool driver, standard key pin. So that's all that. Let's get a close-up. You can see there spool drivers in 2, 3, and 4, standard in 1, and all standard key pins. Well, that's all I've got for you. The Master Lock 130. Pretty open keyway. You can pick it with 25 thousandths picks. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.